In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust volume in Chrome tabs separately using Volume Master, so you can control each tab on its own without lowering the sound for everything else. This is super useful if you're listening to music in one tab, watching a tutorial in another, or keeping a meeting open while browsing other pages. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Since Volume Master is a Chrome extension, everything starts here in the Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, hover over Extensions and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the store where you can find and install the extension. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, click the search bar and type Volume Master. When the results appear, look for the Volume Master extension and click on it. Make sure you choose the correct extension so you can install the right tool for managing tab volume. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add Extension. After a moment, Chrome will install Volume Master automatically and you'll be ready to use it. Next, look at the top right of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon. This opens your extensions menu. Find Volume Master in the list and, if you want easier access, you can pin it to your toolbar. That way the icon stays visible and you can adjust volume faster anytime you need it. Now click the Volume Master icon. A small control panel should appear showing the tabs that are currently open. From here, choose the tab you want to control. You can adjust the sound by moving the slider to the left to lower the volume or to the right to increase it. If one tab is too loud and another is too quiet, this gives you complete control without affecting the rest of your browser. The best part is that each Chrome tab can have its own separate volume level. So if you want YouTube playing softly in one tab while the podcast is louder in another, you can do that easily. Just open the extension, select the tab, and change the slider until the volume feels right. And that's it. You now know how to adjust volume in Chrome tabs separately with Volume Master. It's a simple extension, but it can make multitasking in Chrome much easier. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.